as you all know that my brother is here, so we are cooking a storm in the kitchen every single day. So for this iftar, we made lamb karahi, naan, falooda, and salad. So we started off with the falooda. So I boiled the milk 1 liter, added some cardamom, and this is the ready-made falooda mix, which is super easy to make. So you just cook this until for like 15 minutes until it's thick, and that's it. And then I washed the lamb. I soaked the lamb with vinegar and water for an hour, and then I washed it thoroughly. Then I made the dough for the naan, which was plain all-purpose flour, yeast, salt, oil, yogurt, and warm water. Then my brother, look at the chopping skills of my brother. Isn't he good? He made the salad, he chopped all the vegetables for me, and then he made the sherbet today as well, both of them. Then we started with the karahi. This was the star of the show. It was so good. So we fried the lamb first in a lot of oil. You have to add a lot of oil, otherwise it won't be good. Then I added minced garlic, a lot of it again, green chilies, salt, paprika, and black pepper. That's it. No other spices at all. A lot of sliced ginger and a lot of tomatoes. I had to pressure cook it because otherwise it won't be done easily. Then more green chilies and ginger, and then garam masala. We had to roast the karahi for like half an hour, and then we made the naans. You can make the naans in the pan on the stove, or you can just make them like this, like half on the stove and then half in the oven. Then we spread the butter on the naans, of course, and this was the iftar. I also fried some spring rolls and fries to go with it. But this lamb karahi was insane. We were all like going crazy over it on the iftar table. And then we had the tea, and later on we served the falooda. I served this with the mango kulfi ice cream. This one is the best to go with the falooda, and this was like really good. A perfect end for the perfect iftar. Alhamdulillah.